Essential conjunctive adverbs you must know in Chinese. In this video, we are going to learn 越来越, which means more and more. So here we have some examples. 越来越多, more and more, more. So for short, more and more. 越来越少, less and less. 少 means less. 越来越重要, 重要 means important. 越来越重要, more and more important. Last one, 越来越严重, 严重 serious. 越来越严重, more and more serious. So now, can we please try to use all these words to make sentences? Let's have a try. More and more people start learning Chinese because Chinese is more and more important. Wow, sounds a very good sentence. 越来越多, 越来越多, more and more 的人 person, people 开始 start 学中文 learn Chinese 学 learn 中文 Chinese 因为中文越来越重要 because Chinese more and more important. In Chinese here, we don't have to say is 是 We simply say 中文越来越重要 more and more important. Well, let's talk about sea animal again. Here's ocean. Pollution is more and more serious, so fish is less and less. Well, actually, in proper English, it means the ocean here, the pollution is more and more serious. Less and less fish can be found here. So in Chinese, 这里的海洋污染，这里的 here's, 这里 here, 这里的 here's 海洋 ocean, 污染 pollution, 越来越 more and more 严重 serious, 越来越严重 more and more serious. 所以 so 鱼越来越少，鱼 fish 越来越少。Less and less. Well, we can also use 越来越 when we are talking about some modern technology. Here is another example that you can use directly in your IBDP test. Nowadays, many people more and more like online shopping because online shopping more and more convenient. Obviously, this is not good English, but this helps us to remember the Chinese translation. 现在 nowadays 现在 nowadays 很多人 many people 很多 many 人 people 越来越喜欢 See, 喜欢 is a verb, it means like. So right now we're using 越来越 plus a verb instead of the adjectives. 越来越喜欢 more and more like. 网上购物，网上 online 购物 shopping， 因为网上购物 because online shopping 越来越方便，方便 means convenient, so 越来越方便 means more and more convenient. Wow, saw Mr.Li's video, my Chinese better and better. 看了 Mr.Li 的视频。看了，看 look, see, the past tense symbol. We say 看了 saw Mr.Li 的视频，视频 is video. After you saw Mr.Li's video, 我的中文 my Chinese 越来越好 better and better. 好 is good. More and more good, which is better and better. 如果你的中文越来越好 if your Chinese is getting better and better, Mr. Li 就越来越高兴 Mr. Li will be more and more happy. 谢谢你。